The power of thought is a concept that has been widely explored by spiritual gurus, scientists, and philosophers alike. The idea that our thoughts can have profound impact on our physical and mental health is not a new one, but it has been extensively researched and validated by experts in the field. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and spiritual guru, has made significant contributions to this area of study, and his work has shed light on the remarkable connection between our thoughts and our health. One of the key concepts that Dr. Joe Dispenza has emphasized is the idea that our thoughts have the ability to shape our reality. He believes that our thoughts are the building blocks of our reality, and that by focusing on positive and empowering thoughts, we can create a reality that is in line with our desires. Now, this concept is rooted in the idea that our brain is capable of reorganizing itself based on our thoughts and experiences, a process known as neuroplasticity. Now, according to Dr. Joe Dispenza, when we think negative thoughts or focus on stressors, we are creating a reality that is aligned with those thoughts. This can lead to a range of negative outcomes, including physical health problems such as chronic pain, fatigue, and inflammation. On the other hand, when we focus on positive and empowering thoughts, we are creating a reality that is aligned with those thoughts, which can lead to a range of positive outcomes, including improved physical and mental health. Now, the question is, where are these negative thoughts coming from? Now, obviously, we all know in today's world, we live in a world full of uncertainty and unpredictability. The future is inherently uncertain, and this uncertainty can cause people to be anxious and to be stressful. This fear is fueled by the 24-hour news cycle, social media, and the constant stream of information that creates a sense of perpetual crisis. The unknown can be daunting, leading to feelings of helplessness and hopelessness. Furthermore, there's also societal expectations and societal norms that also continue to contribute to stress. The pressure to conform to societal standards of beauty, success, and happiness can be overwhelming, and the constant barrage of advertising and social media messages also creating unrealistic expectations lead to feelings of inadequacy and stress. Now, as much as all these things around us causes us to stress, we shouldn't, because research has shown that the mind-body connection is not just a myth. It's a tangible reality. When we think about something, whether it's a happy memory or a stressful event, our brain sends signals to our body, triggering a response that can be physical or emotional. This response can manifest in various ways. It can be increased heart rate, blood pressure, or even physical pain. Now, studies have also shown that people who have a negative outlook on life are more likely to develop chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and depression. This is because negative thoughts can lead to increased stress levels, which can damage the body's cells and tissues over time. On the other hand, obviously, people who have positive outlook on life tend to have a better mental and physical health. Now, as much as we have so much going on around us, you should not let your thoughts be affected. You should not let your outlook on life be affected because of that. This is the reason: the mind-body connection. Our thoughts influence our brain, which influence our health. You see, the connection between our thoughts and our physical health has been extensively studied in the field of psychoneuroimmunology. This is a study of the relationship between the mind and the body's immune system, and it has shown that our thoughts and emotions can have a profound impact on our physical health. Research has also shown that chronic stress, which is often caused by negative thoughts or emotions, can weaken our immune system and increase our risk of developing chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. On the other hand, obviously, positive emotions such as gratitude and joy have been shown to have a positive impact on our immune system, reducing inflammation and increasing antibody production. Now, in addition to their impact on our physical health, negative thoughts and emotions can also have a profound impact on our mental health. Chronic stress and anxiety can lead to depression, anxiety disorders, and other mental health problems. On the other hand, again, Positive emotions such as happiness and contentment can increase feelings of well-being and life satisfaction. Now, we can all agree that in this day and age, we have more people having anxiety, depression, and even diseases like cancer. And yes, we may say poor diet and whatsoever, but one of the reasons can actually be our thoughts. Most people, we have negative thoughts, and we have to stop this whole thing of having our thoughts being influenced by our life situations or circumstances or what is going on around us, because this is taking a toll on our health. So we have to make sure that our thoughts are not affected in any way, and find a way to just make sure we take control of our thoughts in such a way that whatever life situation we may be facing, it doesn't affect the way you think about yourself or your outlook on life. You will remain as positive as you can. You will not be stressed. You will not worry too much in such a way that it will end up affecting your life. Like, we have a lot of people with mental illnesses, and the whole thing is just because of thoughts. We have no control of our thoughts. We let anything influence how we think about ourselves, which will also affect how we feel about ourselves. That is why there's so much chaos right now, because we are letting things around us affect how we think and how we feel, which should be the other way around. Now, we've talked about the effect of negative thoughts on our health, but what is it that we can do to change that, to take control of our thoughts and make sure that we are not affecting our health in a negative way? Now, according to Dr. Joe Dispenza, when we think positive thoughts, we release neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve our mood, and even boost our immune system. Now, Dr. Joe Dispenza's work has shown that changing our thoughts and emotions can literally change our brain's chemistry and physiology. For example, he has demonstrated that individuals who practice positive affirmations and visualization techniques can increase their production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, leading to improved mood and reduce the symptoms of depression. Now, you may ask, can our thoughts really play a role in healing chronic illnesses? The answer is yes. Now, again, I'm not a doctor. I'm not saying people should not take their medications or whatsoever. I am just telling you the work of Dr. Joe Dispenza. Now, the answer is yes. Dr. Joe Dispenza's work has shown that individuals with chronic illnesses such as multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and even cancer can use their thoughts to influence their condition. Now, by changing their mindset and focusing on positive emotion, they can reduce their symptoms and even reverse their condition. Now, I actually watched a video on Dr. Joe Dispenza's channel where there were people having testimonies that they actually got rid of the cancer. Like, they are now healed and free from the disease just by doing their meditation and attending Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation teachings whatsoever. So I think this works. So if you want, you may check out Dr. Joe Dispenza's channel to see how these people are actually healing these diseases just using the power of their mind. Now, one of the most powerful tools to harness the power of thought is visualization. Now, visualization involves using all of our senses to imagine ourselves in a specific scenario or outcome. This is a technique that is shown to have profound impact on our body's physiology, reducing stress hormones like cortisol while increasing neurotransmitters like serotonin. So you can make use of visualization to feel and see yourself in a state that you want to be. So let's say you're not feeling well, you can just visualize yourself well. That scene of you being well will create emotions or will give signals to the brain to release neurotransmitters that seem like you are well. And these neurotransmitters will either boost your antibody production, boost your immune system in whatever way, which is good for your body. Now, you can also make use of affirmations. Affirmations involve repeating positive statements to ourselves, often with conviction and feeling. This technique has been shown to rewire our brain's neural pathways, creating new patterns of thought and behavior that support positive emotions and behaviors. We also have mindfulness and meditation, which is another tool, again, to harness the power of thought. Now, this involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment or distraction. This technique has been shown to reduce stress hormones like cortisol while increasing neurotransmitters like serotonin. Dr. Dispenza's work has also highlighted the importance of gratitude in improving our physical health. Gratitude involves focusing on what we are thankful for in life rather than what is lacking or going wrong. This approach has been shown to increase feelings of happiness and well-being while reducing stress hormones like cortisol. So basically, my message to you in this video is stop being influenced by whatever that is going on in the world or in your life right now. Stop thinking too much about it. Let go of the worry. Let go of the stress. It's not worth it. Your mind is like a garden. Cultivate it with positivity and watch how your life flourishes. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.